Let's talk about statistics. So if you don't know what statistics is, it's basically a collection of quantitative data, as you can see in this little description right here. Okay, so now that everyone knows what statistics is, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this project. Whoa, hold up. Before I actually get started with this project, I just wanted to make one thing clear. The way that I'm going to be explaining this PowerPoint, I'm going to be mostly doing it in like a PowerPoint format. I was going to originally have like just me simply, looking directly into the camera and just explaining it that way. But I think that's just going to be a little hard for me to do, and it's also just going to take a while for me to edit this entire video by itself. So I think just me doing like a voiceover while having you guys look at what I'm reading and stuff like that, I think that's just going to be easier. So yeah, okay, on to this project. Okay, so the survey question that I want to provide for my sample is, how likely are you to attend a four-year university after graduation? Now, the reason why I chose this question was because I have heard that attendance at four-year universities were going down for a lot of people. So far as surveys, the responses they can give on the surveys are, on a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to attend a four-year university after graduation? 1 being, I will definitely not attend. 2, I probably will not attend. 3, I am not sure if I will attend. And 4, I probably will attend. And 5, I will definitely attend. My sample group will be every student at Berkmar High School because I want to have a wide range of answers. So when I begin the survey, the first thing I will ask for everyone is to tell me what grade they're in, either 9th, 10th, 11th, or 12th. And then after that, I will have them rate whether they will attend a four-year university or not. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about survey types. Now, there are 3 different ways I could send my surveys in order to get responses. The first way would be a convenient sample. I am in a hurry and I want to get as many people as I can in a short amount of time. I get to school early and stand in front of the door where everyone comes in. I hand them a survey and ask them to complete it for me. Some do, but I notice others throwing it away. Now, after I manage to at least try to get as many people as I can, I only managed to at least get 120 surveys. But this is a lot less than I actually wanted though. This will mostly affect my results because the people who manage to actually give me back my surveys are mainly the people who like me. The ones who just threw it away were people who just didn't care or just didn't like me at all. The second way would be a voluntary response sample. I wasn't happy with how the convenient sample came out, so I decided to try again using the website called SurveyMonkey. I asked the front office to make an announcement to have the students go to the website to take the survey. To get them even more interest so they can actually answer my survey, I also asked that they would be entered into a prize for later on. Now, when I mentioned something about a prize later on, I managed to get at least 500 responses. This is more than a convenient sample, but I am thinking that I won't get the best results here. And the reason why I actually say that is because of the prize I mentioned earlier. And finally, my last option would be a random survey sample. I really want a good sample of the Berkmar High School students. So I will get a list of all the students at the school. I'll look it up and it's about 2,900 students. I will label the students from 1 to 2,900 and then add 2,900 slips of paper into a random number generator. I want to at least have 950 responses. Once those numbers have been pulled out by the generator, I will ask each of those students to come up and take the survey. Now, in my opinion, I think this method will be the best for my research because it has the best chance of randomness.